Here's an update from the Health Law Firm.
If you buy a faulty product, who can be held responsible? The answer is more people than you might think. The manufacturer of the product or any part of it, the wholesaler and the retailer, could all end up in the legal hot seat. Board-certified health law attorney George Indest says there are three types of product defects that incur liability in manufacturers and suppliers: design, manufacturing, and marketing defects. Design defects exist before the product is manufactured. Manufacturing defects occur during the construction or production. Marketing defects are improper instructions and failure to warn consumers of dangers in the product. Defective implants in particular can leave you with serious complications, including pain, swelling, implant failure, and the need for corrective surgery. Product liability cases can be complex and require help from an experienced team. The attorneys of the Health Law Firm represents patients against the manufacturers of defective medical devices.
For more information, visit thehealthlawfirm.com.